Good morning, friends. So this week in our grammar packet, we will be learning about pronouns and antecedents. So the first thing we're going to do is not worry about the grammar packet itself, but worry about some notes to take. So I've got my notes pre-written, so I'm just going to go over them, but while I'm going over them, if you need to pause this video to write the notes down, that's great. You do need to write the notes down, and I will probably talk faster than you are able to write. So, pause it when you need it. Alright, the first thing we're going to talk about are pronouns, okay? A pronoun is something that takes the place of a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. So it's a word that takes the place of a noun or a person, place, or thing. Okay? I have given you a list. Alright? So here's the list and where you probably need to pause to write all of this down. This may not be every single pronoun in the book, but this is a good list to start with. Okay? So words like I, it, you, me, mine, them, he, she, we, her, they, theirs. Okay? They are not naming the person, place, or thing, or they are not saying like the house. It would say like it, maybe it's the place, a place. Okay? So that's all the list of pronouns. You will need these throughout the week. There may be more. You can add to it if you find more later. Up to you. Okay, an antecedent. Okay, an antecedent is what the pronoun is referring to or is talking about. Okay, I do not have a list of antecedents because the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to pause and copy this down if you need to, and then we're just going to go to the grammar packet so I can give you some decent examples. Okay, so in our grammar packet, well, I'll keep this backward. It reminds us what a pronoun and an antecedent are at the top. Okay, and then it says on the lines following the sentences, write the antecedents for the underlined pronouns. So let's talk about what an antecedent is. Kyra was excited because she was going someplace new. Okay, she is on our list of pronouns, so we know they underlined the pronoun. What is she talking about? Who is she? What's she? What is it referring to? Kyra. Kyra is the she in this sentence. So Kyra is our antecedent. Okay? Let's go down to number 3. Mother said to Nikki, act like you belong here. Okay? Mother said to Nikki, act like you belong here. You would not be talking about mother because mother is saying this. So you refers to Nikki. Nikki is the antecedent. You means Nikki. Okay? Let's go down to the bottom, number 7. These sentences, it says read the sentences below. If the underlined pronoun is correct, write C. If the pronoun is incorrect, write the correct pronoun. Okay, so they already underlined the pronoun for us. We don't have to guess. We just need to make sure that the sentence makes sense or that the pronoun is referring to the correct antecedent. Okay? So when the students got on the bus, she argued over seats. There is no specific she in this sentence. There is students, okay? And if we wanted this sentence to make sense, we would say, when the students got on the bus, they argued over seats. So our correct pronoun there is they. Alright, number 9. The cab stopped in the street. It was having engine trouble. Okay? It is a great word to represent the cab. So we're going to write C for correct on this line because that sentence makes sense. The pronoun matches the antecedent, it and the cab. Okay? Let's do number 3 together on the next page. So it says complete each sentence by writing the correct pronoun. So you want your sentences to make sense. Okay? Decide what the sentence is talking about or what the person or object in the sentence is, and then make sure your pronoun fits it. Okay, number 3 is kind of confusing. So, Laura told AJ, those signs can tell blank what to do, blank can't tell blank what to think. Okay? Laura told AJ, those signs can tell me what to do, but can't tell me what to think. Okay, because Laura's talking to AJ and she's talking about herself. So me and me are great pronouns there. Alright? So the rest of them you got to fill in with pronouns, make sure they make sense. And I feel like the rest is pretty self-explanatory when it comes to it. Each sentence contains an incorrect pronoun. Rewrite each sentence so that all of the pronouns are correct. Okay, make your sentences make sense. Say them, whisper them out loud to yourself. Does that even make sense? Okay. Same here, rewriting the paragraph so it makes sense. You know the drill there. And then here you are rewriting each sentence so that the pronouns are correct, and underline the antecedent of each pronoun. Okay? Underline. Ooh. Alright. So let's just, I'm not going to rewrite this, but let's talk about it real quick. Donica asked her mother, "Can me go camping with Kristen?" Okay, me. Can I go camping with Kristen? Okay, and then Donica asked her mother. So Donica is the I in the sentence that it's referring to. So that's underlining the antecedent of each pronoun. You do have to rewrite the sentence. Okay? Alright? There is your grammar for the week. Come up and ask questions if you have it, and good luck.